name is Arlyne Sanjines. Today's video is going to be a fall day in the life with our fake fall weather here in Northern California. What's it outside right now? It's like 90 something?
I think it's 80s.
Oh, it's 80s.
Yeah.
Okay, it's 80s, not that bad. It's still really warm out, but in the mornings and at night, it gets like crisp and chilly, and those are like the times that I could actually put on like a cute outfit for a few hours. Right now it's too hot, but I want to show you guys like a cute fall outfit. Oh, we got Meadow talking back there and Weston's about to change her diaper, but I have the PSL, which I've been obsessed with. I'm obsessed with it every single season. I get it half sweetened and then with oat milk. That's my favorite way to get it. And who's that? Who's that? See, we need to change you and we need to do your hair. Who is that?
Who is it? Let me see.
Is it Meadow?
It's
oh.
Target.
Say, look guys, I'm ready. I look so cute.
Show 'em.
We're gonna go to Target. We can find a pumpkin for you. Your first ever pumpkin.
Whoa! Yeah. Boing, 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 boing. Okay, this is as fall outfit as we're gonna get today because it's way too hot outside, so I have shorts. I have this little plaid jacket that I did get at like a local shop, so I'll try to find something very similar because I've seen them everywhere, like H&M forever. Even like Nordstrom has some really cute and affordable ones, so I will link a few of my favorites down below. I'm wearing shorts, just a crop tee that's from Zara, and then the boots. I'm obsessed with these boots. These are like my new favorite go-to for the season. I had a very similar version of these. They're Dolce Vita. I'll link them down below. But I had some that were a little bit like a lighter canvas material. These ones are a little more of like a suede and they come up a little higher. The other ones are more of like a white color, and I wore them like every single day last year and even up into this year. So I really wanted to get another pair that was similar because those ones are like so worn in that they're kind of gross now. So I'm probably gonna do the same with these. I'm already obsessed with them and I've been wearing them almost every day. They're super comfy. So again, I'll link them below, but I'm obsessed with them. Oh, and then the purse, duh, the purse. I love that this lays in the front. If you guys have a kid like me, obviously, I find that having like a fanny pack or something that sits in the front is so useful and convenient. Like, it's just so practical, and this fits a lot of stuff. So I'm able to put like a banana in here or a snack for her, whatever little things I need for her, they fit in here. So I like having my cards in the front, everything, so that when I'm holding her with one arm, I can use the other hand to like dig in there for a card or whatever it is that I need. I love the look of it. Like, I really love the vibe. This one's from Target, so I'll link it down below as well. Super affordable, super cute. So yeah, Weston and Meadow are waiting for me in the car, so let's go.
Someone said your heart is golden.
Oh, I love this. It's $40 for this. Is it worth 40? I feel like I could find these myself, find these stems at like Hobby Lobby or somewhere, and then put them in my own vase because I have a handful of vases at home. But I like getting inspo like this. It's so cute. Oh my gosh, and I love these pillows. All of these rugs are so stinking cute because they're kind of neutrals with a lot of blues and grays, and I think this year I'm gonna go for the blues, the grays, and obviously like basically this whole color palette right here. So I'm gonna go with this rug. All right, this is what's really going on behind the scenes. This girl just wants to walk, huh?
Yep.
Luckily Weston's here to have her walk around.
I feel bad if you have to go by yourself, because she does not want to be in carts anymore.
She used to just chill here the entire time.
And
Okay.
she also wants to push everything.
Okay, Meadow.
Missing the pending.
All right, you guys, back from Target. Let me show you guys the decor. I got this, like, I guess it's like a faux olive. Yeah, faux olive arrangement. It was only $30, and I feel like it's actually a really good size. Like, this isn't necessarily fall, but I feel like it can be used year round. I think it looks really pretty, so I'll be putting this, we'll see, somewhere around the house, maybe right here in the kitchen, or on the center of our table. And then I didn't go too crazy because I feel like I'm gonna end up at Home Goods at some point, and then I'll go crazy there, or even Hobby Lobby has so many good things all the time too. But I did get these little Sherpa pumpkins. I feel like they're really trendy this year. So these ones, I think they were in the dollar spot, but they were $3. So affordable, cute, lightweight. And also these are nice too, because if Meadow grabs them, like, they're not gonna hurt her, they're not gonna fall and break. So I thought they were cute, so I went with kind of like this grayish blue color, a typical orange pumpkin, and then this. The stem fell off. Did I buy it like that? No, I think it fell off. Whenever he was putting it on the belt, I remember it like fell, and then I think, oh great, the stem fell off of it, but I thought I could kind of just stagger these three right here on our island, and then the rugs. Got this guy that I showed you guys in there, so this one I'm actually gonna put on top of our like bigger jute rug, but I thought it'd be perfect to layer. And then this one is for the front door. Wait, how does it go? Like this. It says hello fall. I thought it was pretty simple and cute. I don't always like all the little sayings, but at the same time, I do. I feel like this is the only time where I do love all the little cheesy pumpkin spice this and hello fall and all that stuff, even though I've been trying to kind of like stray away from all the little sayings, but I don't know, I like them. So that's gonna go actually at our front door, and I think those are all the fall things that I got for now.
Here she comes.
Okay, I threw on her most fall pajamas that she has. And this girl is just playing in the loft. She actually crawled in there by herself.
She likes to get in.
She likes to crawl into all her little toys. Huh, silly?
1, 2, 3.
Hey, 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. Alright, you guys, it's actually the next day, but I thought I could show you guys like a super easy crock pot, kind of like a butternut squash soup. It's kind of just like a chicken noodle soup, but I'm adding this butternut squash puree to give that butternut squash taste to make it feel more fall-y. I've actually never done this, but I'm assuming it can't taste bad. Like usually these purees, if you like butternut squash soup, I feel like just tastes really good. So super easy. I'm literally just gonna throw in, I don't like touching raw chicken, but I'm just gonna throw in this chicken breast. I'm gonna cut up some bell peppers. I have some carrots. I don't like celery, which is why I'm not adding celery. And then I have this bone broth, unsalted chicken here. So I'm gonna add all of this and then a ton of spices, which I will just put down below. And then I'm just gonna set it on high for 4 hours so that it's ready for dinner, just because it's getting a little late. So let's get to it.
You should just stick to your own kind. Ooh, something to talk about. Ooh, someone to dream about. Ooh, something to talk about. Ooh, someone to dream about.
We're at Hobby Lobby with this one. And she likes all the fall stuff, which obviously this stuff is hi. Who are you saying hi to? All the decorations? All the decor? Hi. I feel like all this is just way too orange. I like it, but not for the house. We're looking for the grays and the blues.
Ooh.
Those tones.
Grays and blues. Okay.
Yeah, because that's what we got from Target. So we just need a few things, honestly. I don't want to go too crazy because I already have so much from previous years. Okay, we have a sign like this from last year. It says Hello Fall. I really like this one though. It's cute and different. And I almost feel like I have to get something kind of childish like this for Meadow. I feel like she'll like it. Weston said I'm not allowed. Oh, what about this, Weston? Hello, pumpkin.
Yeah, you can get anything you want. Just get rid of Hello Fall.
Oh, I have to get rid of the other ones first.
Hello Fall sign.
Meadow, what do you think? We want to get you some fun stuff. What do you think?
You think decor's fun?
Okay, you guys remember the little floral arrangement from Target? I'm trying to find like a little berry stem. This looks too orange, but I can't find it. I might even like something like this though. Something like this.
High five? High five.
Okay, this has been going for I think like 3.5 hours, so I'm gonna take the chicken out, shred it up, and then put it back in.
With a suitcase in my hand, looking for.
Oh, Oh, actually, in the meantime, I'm gonna throw these little pasta shells. So thought it tastes good with some pasta shells in there.
And if I'd seen her then and there, I would have asked her to be mine. Ooh, something to talk about.
Okay, so later that night, I decided to make some pumpkin bread, and I wanted to include the footage because this bread is delicious and it's not as unhealthy as buying, say, like a Starbucks pumpkin bread. So I will put all of the ingredients down below. I did eyeball everything just because I feel like when you bake something enough, you kind of know what you're looking for and how to make it, I guess. Even though I've totally had a lot of fails, but I'll put everything down below and I'll just do kind of approximate measurements just because, like I said, I just eyeballed everything. And I just put all of my favorite ingredients. I did a pumpkin puree, which is what gives it that pumpkin flavor. It turned out delicious. Like I said, I like to add chocolate chips. I threw it in the oven for about 25 minutes.
Bread is all done. I actually already dug in. Let it cool off first, but I got a little impatient because it smells so good. It's like a moist but still fluffy, so delicious. This might be one of my favorite breads that I've actually made. So I will try to put the measurements down below, but like I said, I eyeballed everything. So really it's just approximate measurements, but hopefully it works out and you guys can try it for yourselves because it is delicious.